Percents are a special type of fraction with 100 as a denominator. But because any fraction can generate equivalent fractions, many percents can be written as fractions that simplify a calculation. In this video, we'll look at examples of fraction-percent conversions that can simplify a calculation. Let's look at an example. Of the 480 containers on a cargo ship, 12.5% were loaded with electronic equipment. How many containers was this? To find a fraction equivalent to 12.5%, start with 25%, which we know is 1/4. But half of 25% is 12.5%, which is therefore equivalent to 1/8. So find 1/8 of 480. The result is 60. So 60 containers have electronic equipment. Let's look at another example. A florist makes 40% of her annual sales on roses. If the florist sold $55,075 in flowers last year, how much of this was due to selling roses? To find a fraction equivalent to 40%, start with 20%, which we know is 1/5. So 40% is equivalent to 2/5. So find 2/5 of $55,075. 5 goes into 55,075 to get 11,015, which we multiply by 2. The result is 22,030. So the florist made $22,030 from selling roses. Let's look at a final example. Of the vehicles on a road in a certain city, motorcycles make up 6.25%. If a highway had 32,016 vehicles, how many of them would you expect to be motorcycles? Previously, you saw how 25%, which is 1/4, could be used to find the fractional equivalent of 12.5%, which is 1/8. We go one step further to show 6.25%, which is half of 12.5%, is equal to 1/16. 1/16 of 32,016 is 2001. So the number of motorcycles on the road is 2001.